Guys, we're back, and we've broken a car. The Wltoys 124018. So, yeah, as I said, the Wltoys 124018 was broken, and I broke the piece just in there. Not the wheel hex, but the other part just below there. So here's the old one, and you can see the split straight through the top. So it just keeps coming off, and my brother had aluminium parts ready to put on the car, but he hadn't gotten around to it yet. So we've just done the front, and yeah, it was amazing because it's so much stronger. So that's a good upgrade for him. And he was also kind enough to let me use his old one, which is in perfect condition, until my aluminium ones come here. And yeah, I did buy aluminium upgrades. So that will be coming up in a future video, probably around March the 6th to the 10th, because that's when the parts are meant to turn up. So we're waiting on them, and yeah, then we'll be upgrading our first car on the channel. Now, I know it's taken ages for us to make a new video, and we were meant to have one out like a week ago, but it is worth it because there's a new car on the channel. What is it? A Traxxas Slash. Yeah, a VXL. So 4-wheel drive brushless, and it can reach upwards of 60 miles an hour. So our older brother bought that, and he's let us put it on the channel. So he's going to be the driver, and we're all just going to go out and have fun. So let's go see what happens with all the cars together. Oh, careful. Oh. Oh, nice. Oh. I'm trying to do this one-handed, and it's actually hard. So I'm filming with one hand and controlling with the other. Still getting used to it though. So the shocks on the VXL, they pop out, so we just got to keep screwing them back in every time we flip, pretty much. Yep, and there's a Slash 2-wheel drive, which is not brushless, so it's not as fast, but it's still cool. Oh, that thing looks so cool. This one's got no TSM though, which if you don't know what that is, TSM is like a gyro, which automatically stabilizes the car for you. Can you give us a wheelie? This thing looks so cool going. And it's got heaps of stability. Sorry about the wind, guys. It was fine. Let's see. Oh, that was bad. Oh, that thing's fast. Alright, let's go. I know this is nothing off-road like the Traxxas, either one of them, but It's still heaps of fun, guys. Oh, I'll show you where I broke it. We'll just drive around to it. Just jump over here. Like a rock. Oh, you broke it on that? Yeah. So I jumped it, and it was pretty much full speed. And then it just started flipping along here. And yeah, now there's parts somewhere in the lawn. There's a screw and a washer thing. But who cares? I'm getting new ones. So let's just drive. This thing, I'm considering getting new shocks. I've found some Traxxas / upgrade ones, which they're pretty much the same size. So yeah, kind of want to get them.
Flip it.
Yeah. There. Oh, it's really windy now. But you can see it keeps jumping around. That's because the back shocks. I figured out why. I read on the internet that Wltoys overfills their shocks from factory, and that makes the seals pop out. So yeah, I want to get new Traxxas / upgrade ones. Guys, it turns out it's not all fun and games. This screw is meant to go in there, and it's actually stripped in there. So this piece here is an aluminium replacement part that I'm getting, and yeah, that just means I can't use the car. That would have been when I destroyed it the first time, but I just didn't know about it. I mean, I noticed that it wasn't screwing in properly, but I thought, you know what, it should be fine. But I just was looking at the car then, and I noticed it was hanging out. So this car is not going to be used for a while. But I mean, we've got other cars. So what's the big deal? I mean, I'm getting a new part, and it won't be for that long. Alright guys, so we'll be fixing the car soon, and yeah, until then we'll just be using other cars. See ya. Remember to subscribe.